Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy a DogeBSC token on Trust Wallet via PancakeSwap. It's real easy and let me show how. So first you need to have a Binance coin for that, so you can buy a Trust Wallet itself just by pressing buy and select BNB, or you have a on another exchange or wallet you can basically receive it. Just receive, select BNB and copy this wallet address, paste it to whenever you have a Binance coin and transfer it to Trust Wallet. So this is the first step, and then when you have a Binance coin, then just press on it, select more and swap to Smart Chain coin, Binance Smart Chain coin. And after that you need to go on browser or the apps, and if you're using Trust Wallet for the first time, probably you will not see browser options, so you need to go on Safari, select, copy this code, trust browser enable, and then press go, and the browser option should appear. And on the browser you need to go under the popular and select PancakeSwap, select the connect to the top right corner, Trust Wallet, make sure to make slippage 11% or less, and then you need to go to Google Chrome or other browser, go to bctscan.com, on search write DogeBSC, and then as you can see here with a official website DogeBSC.finance, and as you can see here on the profile summary there is contract. Copy the contract, go to Trust Wallet, select currency, copy the contract, and now you can swap your Binance Smart Chain coin to a DogeBSC. Alright, so guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.